starting at $25,715. If the boxy sole is too small for your liking, Kia offers the more conventionally styled Seltos as a half step up both in size and price. FK Tech here. With its stylish exterior, spacious interior and fun to drive, the 2024 Seltos earns its place in Kia's lineup filled with other vehicles of similar value. The Seltos sits somewhere between the smaller Soul and larger Sportage, but its slightly larger than subcompact size offers more cargo space than rivals like the Hyundai Kona and Nissan Kicks. A facelift for 2024 makes the Seltos even more attractive than before, and the interior has also been updated with better infotainment technology. There is a 4-cylinder duo that includes a strong 195 horsepower with a turbo engine. Most models come with all-wheel drive as standard, and the entry-level Seltos is also one of our favorite compact SUVs for its cost performance and practicality. What's new in 2024? The Seltos received exterior and interior styling updates for 2024. A revised grille and updated lighting elements, along with new wheel designs and taillight strips incorporating the taillights, enhance the SUV's appearance. Inside, there's an updated infotainment panel with 2 large screens, and the current model's traditional gearshift knob appears to have been replaced with a rotary knob. The Seltos' optional 1.6-liter turbo 4-cylinder produces 195 horsepower, a 20 horsepower increase over last year's model, and a new 8-speed automatic transmission is added in place of the existing 7-speed. A rugged-looking X-Line model also joins the range and features distinctive exterior styling. Engine, transmission and performance. Kia offers the Seltos 2 4-cylinder engines, a 2.0-liter engine with 147 horsepower and a 1.6-liter turbo engine with 195 horsepower. I tested the Seltos 1.6-liter turbo and found plenty of power. The base engine is mated to a continuously variable automatic transmission, CVT, while the turbo comes with an 8-speed automatic transmission. All-wheel drive is standard on all trims except the S and EX trims. The Seltos offers a firm but mostly smooth ride, and handling is sharp for an SUV. It's more fun and easier to handle than rivals like the Jeep Compass and Mitsubishi Outlander Sport. If we get a chance to test drive the updated Seltos at our facility, we'll update this story with acceleration test results and driving impressions. Actual fuel economy and MPG. According to EPA estimates, the Seltos returns very efficient MPG numbers. Highway fuel economy is rated at 34 miles per gallon for the 2.0-liter 4-cylinder model with all-wheel drive. On our fuel-efficient 75 mph highway test track, the 1.6-liter turbocharged all-wheel drive Seltos topped 30 miles per hour. For more information on Seltos fuel economy, visit the EPA website. Interior, comfort and cargo. Inside, the Seltos offers much more room for people and cargo than the Hyundai Kona. The materials used inside the interior are sophisticated enough to feel right at home in the showroom next to the brand's flashy Telluride SUV. Interior lighting is standard on top-of-the-line SX models, and like the system Kia offers for its smaller Soul SUV, music can get your heart pumping. When testing the facelift model, the cargo compartment easily swallowed suitcases, backpacks, and camera bags. In our test, we put 8 carry-ons in the hold and 20 with the rear seats folded down. Infotainment and connectivity. The Seltos infotainment unit has changed dramatically for 2024, with a new integrated panel that spans 2/3 of the dashboard and serves as a digital readout display and infotainment touchscreen. This configuration is optional and similar to those offered by other newer Kia models. A small display with analog instrument cluster is standard. Apple CarPlay and Android Auto are available on all models, but Sirius XM satellite radio and an onboard Wi-Fi hotspot are optional. Safety features and driver assistance. Kia offers the Seltos a standard package of driver assistance technology, but advanced features like adaptive cruise control are optional. Warranty and maintenance. Kia's warranty is the best in the industry, and the company offers an additional 10 years or 100,000 miles of power on its models. The only other competitor that matches it is the Hyundai SUV. The limited warranty covers 5 years or 60,000 miles. The power unit warranty is 10 years or 160,000 kilometers. No free scheduled maintenance. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and turn on the notification button below. Thanks.